So Ashwin, I was going over the notifications that you were talking about, how it replaces the earlier one. So I was just trying to understand what is happening. Now my problem is when I come here, the notification is not giving me the full picture. So let's take a look at this. Ishwari changed the stage to credited and closed. Again I repeat, Ishwari did not change the stage. As part of the process it happened. Ishwari completed a task. Trigger. What happened after that? 3, 4, so whatever happened. Stage got changed, note got added, blah blah blah. She came in to complete the task. Very important. And as a consequence of that, 3, 4 things happened that can all be captured. So you're right, we might have to redo the way we show the notifications, but we need to show what is the trigger event that happened, either by automation or by a person, manual, something happened. So what was the triggering event, external, the main triggering event? What happened as a consequence of that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ishwari completed the task as a triggering event. Consequence of that, ABC happened. Or, daily automation ran, automation so and so ran. Consequence of that, ABC happened. External trigger again. Or an API call was made, external API call created an event or did something, changed a field or updated a field, trigger, and consequence of that, ABC happened. So I think it's very important that the events are very clear. In fact, even for external, I would like to know what is the external source. If it is another pipeline from where automation has run, it should say this process ran an automation or updated this trigger. So, I'm just giving an example. Or if it's an external API call, based on ideas, understanding of who's called that API, assuming there's one key for each corresponding process which is registered with us, then so and so has called the API. So the trigger and then the series of events that have happened. So that is how the trigger. So you're right. If it is you're just replacing the earlier one, but then that doesn't give the whole picture. It gives you the last scene. So in this case, I'm just going into the events, and then we'll go into more to figure it out. Wait, I might need to sign in here, unfortunately. Just 1 second. I hope it brings me to that item, I'm not sure. No, it's not. So we lost that. Let's look at another one now that we are signed in. I'm going to ignore the sales lead one. Petty cash. Credited and closed. Stamp paper reimbursement done. Credited and closed 813. Ishwari added a note, it says. But that's not what would have happened. She would have completed the event, task, as a consequence of which stage got changed and note got added. You're getting my point? It just shows me note got added. The event is incorrect at best. So I think we need to fix this from that perspective as well. We need to take a look. Who's asking, not asking? Again, if we have an event system, it should be useful. I believe event system is useful for everyone. Everybody wants an event system. There's no two ways about it. Notification. And that notification should be useful and accurate, both.